And this is your daily dose of internet. This dog was diagnosed with kennel cough and needed to wear this respirator for a few weeks. This truck was driving on the highway when it got stuck on a barrier and started taking down light poles. Nobody was hurt in the process, not even the driver. There's a flight of stairs in the bottom left corner of the video. This cat rushed over and stopped this baby from falling down the stairs. This person created his own handheld laser that can pop balloons. This dog was afraid to use an escalator at an airport, but the owner was nice enough to help out. This company made a type of motorized surfboard that allows you to smoothly ride the waves. A massive tornado destroyed parts of this factory in Greece. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very soon. And this is your daily dose of internet. These fishermen were reeling in a shark they caught when the shark suddenly started fighting back.
You see that? Watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out. Watch out! Oh my gosh!
The shark eventually broke free and swam away.
Hey boy! What's up?
This guy was playing Mr. Beast's game where you have to leave your finger on the phone for as long as possible to try and win $25,000. The streamer received a donation from someone named Hey Ziri and read their name out loud and lost the game as a result.
Wait, did we get any new followers? Oh, Hey Ziri, I appreciate the... Oh my god!
I don't know what that means.
Have you ever been as tired as this pelican? This guy was on the cover of a magazine, and nobody seems to really care.
Oh, so I'm just reading a book. And hello. What's up? Oh, there's little babies. There are little babies. Hey, boo boo. Oh my god.
There's a YouTuber that likes to make completely unnecessary inventions, taking Croc shoes and turning them into Croc gloves. A tool to help you take your socks off. Or a really long phone charger cable. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see. These guys were having some fun messing around with slow motion. This poor guy is having a difficult time saying Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy
Gapi,
Valentine's
Valentine,
Day.
gay,
Happy Valentine's Day.
bagan,
Perfect. I thought you were. I thought, yeah. Okay, let's see it. Tell her.
Camping Kambagante.
I'm sorry, sir. I can't understand you.
These people wanted to experience the thrill of standing behind an airplane that's about to take off. The back window of this person's car got completely flipped because of the force of the wind.
Hello.
Look at this. Yeah. It's a perfect snowball.
Here's a behind the scenes look of how this stop motion animation was made. This dad made a viral video with his daughter being amazed with looking at tools.
Look at this one.
The company that makes the tools saw the video and sent her an entire box full of trowels.
That's a lot of trowels, huh?
This person created the perfect loop. This is why you probably shouldn't give yourself a haircut.
Oh no 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 no! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm about to cry. No!
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very